thank you so much for joining my channel, and hopefully you kind of got the gist of what I'm about to make. A DIY Christmas project, which is making our Christmas wreath. This is the first I'm actually going to make a wreath. I've been wanting to make a wreath for a good few years. I had my little helper, as you saw in the clips. Hopefully you saw that I got a star, and that was reduced. It was, I think, £5, and then it was then down to £2, so that was an absolute bargain. I got some tinsel, 2 different types of tinsel. I got some baubles as well, and I also got some super glue. I shall get on with that, and I hope you get some inspiration to create your own Christmas wreath for probably a fraction of the price. And if you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe and press the bell for all notifications, because I create quite a few shorts as well for during the week. So enjoy. Okay, so I have changed my top because I'm about to do something very Christmassy. Make my first Christmas wreath. Now, to be honest, I'm kind of winging it, but hopefully it turns out good. Sorry, toddler in the background. I really hope it turns out really nicely and somebody gets inspiration from this. That's my goal, is someone gets inspiration or just sheer enjoyment of watching me hopefully pull off making a Christmas wreath. Wish me luck and fingers crossed. Now that they are all tied on, I'm now going to snip these wee bits and glue them on. Okay, so I've actually also put glue at the sides, like tucked it in at either side, and then put it over the actual top of the bauble where the string goes on. So I've done it over as well, just maximum security. Okay, I'm actually quite delighted at how cute this is already. I know it's really simple looking, but time for tinsel. I'm just tying it on. I'm not actually going to glue this on because I don't think it needs it, to be honest. I'm going to wrap it all the way around. Wrap it all the way around the gaps. And what I could have maybe done is put maybe some glitter at the ends. Maybe that's something that you could do, but I'm going to leave it there. Or you could possibly even put some lights on it if you wanted instead of the tinsel, or smaller baubles, or no baubles. I am so happy with this. So all in all, that sweet, yes, it's not as fabulous as some wreaths out there, or some people might not actually like this wreath, but I think it's so sweet, and it's just, as soon as I think of Christmas, tinsel is one of the things that I think of. Tinsel and glitter and baubles and winter spice that Zoflora make, and mince pies. And yeah, so I am so happy with it. I worked out it's actually only, yes, it cost a wee bit of extra. I think it was about 12 or 13 pounds to get everything in, but that was full packs that I actually had to get, like the full pack of baubles. But the full pack of baubles were £3.50 for I think 50, £1 for 12 jingle bells. I only used 5, and I only used 1 piece of tinsel. So all in all, that cost £4 to make. And it was super fun, and it didn't take me long at all. If you enjoyed watching me make our first ever Christmas wreath for our family, which I'm so happy about, if you can tell, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We are now into December. This is now the countdown to Christmas. I am going to see this for the first time this year for Christmas 2021, and I'm going to share it with you guys. Merry Christmas. Take care, guys. Bye.